I coded a script should allow me change backgrounds in Affinity, just like the way it's done in Photoshop. And here is what the script looks like. Making some adjustments to generate a background on this image. So it's running now. Let's see how it turns out. So this is awesome. This is one example on how changing of background works. It doesn't go with it doesn't it's sort of like an automated design flow. You don't need to remove the background to change the background. You could just do it with a single click, and with you just input your prompt and to make the necessary adjustments. So from the pixel stock options in Affinity by Canva, I'm going to input another image, and let's see what it's going to look like. Changing, at least showing different examples with different images to see what the output is like, so okay, if this is the kind of script you would like to have in your Affinity by Canva to change your background images. So, and yeah, this is me inputting my prompt, choosing an AI model. So let's run this and see what it looks like. And this is what it looks like. You could see it's quite an amazing change in background. And the best part about this is whatever background you change into, the lighting also reflects on the appearance of the subject. So it's not like the background looks off and your subject looks off. There is a blend in appearance between your background and the subject. And so I said to test it with a group of people, not just a single subject, to see what it looks like. And the outcome was awesome, as it was in a single object. So yep, now this is it. What do you think? Well, you could tell me whatever idea you would have, or if you think there's a way this could be improved. You could drop a comment in the comment section. I would love your feedback. And I also tried to make a version 2 of this script, which should allow me input, upload an image reference in order to make this happen, for whatever changes you'd like to make. So yes, but then this isn't working perfectly yet. And in this one, you could also choose the quality style of your background, if you want it to be in 4K, if you want it to be in HD, and all of that. So thank you for watching, and subscribe for more awesome content like this. See ya.